Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a Zoom meeting link. So basically, and in a simple way, the Zoom meeting link is an URL that makes you and the others get through the meeting just by one click. So you just need to have the link if you are a participant and if you are the host. You need to send the link per email to the ones that you want them to be on your meeting. And in that case, I said if you are the host. So if you are a participant, guys, you just need to click on join if you already got the link. If you are if you are a host, you need to schedule or to create a new meeting. Then you will enter here the event name. There is too many examples, and then you need to fill all these blanks. Alright, once you are finished, and it depends on you guys what you gotta choose and what you gotta set up. So then once you are finished, you will just go all the way down into the save button, the blue button, and then click on save. Then guys, here is all the informations of your meeting. Here is the link that we are already talked about, and it's the subjects of the video and the topic of the video. Here the link, you just need to copy that link and then send that link to the attendees or the ones that you want them to join your meeting. Just pass the link to them, and once you start the meeting, they will get the notification, and then they will get to your meeting just by using that link, and that's it. It's that simple. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found that video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and thanks. See you next video.